Look right here on the edge of the brush too. Look at them dogs lined up. Need a shooter over here. Come on. Hurry up.
Not as much.
He's gonna come out. I can get over there to the other side.
There he's there.
Okay. Tough when you shoot. Look at that little girl. Take it on through, girl. There, honey got it. Nice job. I had to find a place to get through. You'll get him, man. They'll catch him.
I think so.
It'll take them a while. You got so much lead slung over here, it'll take them a while to figure it out.
Yep.
Where'd he cross at?
Went right into there.
Okay. So let him figure it out. Nice, honey. Nice job. Great, honey. That was Lily, or Tracy. Nice job, girls. Watch for him to come back out. He's running on adrenaline, Craig. I saw something cross way up there by the house. I don't know what that's birds. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up, hold up. I don't know, just keep on, pay attention to wrap it. Come on, huh?
Can I shoot him?
Yeah, yeah. Just be ready for him to pop out. He should be crossing. Here he comes. They're turning in. Coming in, coming in. Let me get out of your way. Watch for him, Jerry. What a run.
They're going to catch him. He's hit. Watch that corner. Watch that hole.
They might have him. They might have him. What they got?
They got it. Down, girls. Down. Bring him here. Bring him here. Down. Down, Tracy. Bring him here. Good girl. Good girl, Tracy. Bring him here. Here, Tracy. Down. Grab your gun, Jerry. Come down. Good girl. Good girl. Down, Lil. Lily, you've been a bugger. Good girl.
Let me hit Jerry now.
Lily, down.
Let me go hit him.
Huh? Good girl. Down.
I'm going to knock him down. You wouldn't get the camera.
That rabbit was 80 yards away, full bore, running on just its back legs when I shot. I can't believe the dogs got him for me again, you know? I can't seem to knock him down.
And the dog's got two.
Yeah, I'm batting 0.
Shame he wouldn't grab the camera. You were bent down. I wanted to go knock you over.
I think this is over.
Here, Lil. Hey, guys.
Good
Great
girl.
job. Great job, girls.
I knew when it doubled.
Great job.
I was worried about it going through that hole and getting to the house. So
Yeah.
Should I just? I don't need a
no,
bag.
get a bag.
Yeah, you do.
Them in my
Yeah,
bag.
you
They're
do.
supposed to get bloody.
Well, that and they got fleas on.
Well, he's got fleas anyways.
Yeah.
He's from Mass.
He's 80 yards away.
Oh,
Yeah, put him back there.
thank you, Jerry. I had my coach telling me to play the wind, and you know it was great.
Let's go back. That's
We're
why
gonna go
there's
get some more.
Great
that's why
job,
there's
girls.
dogs going other
Hey,
ways.
hey, hey,
There's more
Sky,
rabbits.
Sky.
Good job, girl. Come here, Lex. Good girl. Lex, down, girl.
Man, I couldn't get
girl.
get Todd to get the signal.
Good girl. Good girl, honey.
Good girl.
You got up too soon.
Hit a brick wall, didn't you? Come on, girls. Let's look in here. There's